This video will show you how to access our website and the curriculum. I'm going to open up a Chrome browser and I'm going to go to the BootUp website, bootuppd.org. Again, that's bootuppd.org. In the upper right hand corner, you'll notice two buttons, one that says Teachers and one that says Students. I'm going to click on the Teachers tab first. And then notice down here, you'll have two buttons, one that says Scratch Junior, that's for K-2, and then one that says Scratch, that's for students in 3rd grade and up. I'm going to click on the Scratch Junior tab. You'll notice we have our different projects listed below. We have the number and the name of the project, the experience, the practices and concepts, a short description, and then you'll have two links, a lesson overview. This is that project preview that you're used to seeing. And then also a link to the lesson plan. Now the lesson plan, if you don't have the bookmarks on, you can click on that little, looks like a little piece of paper, and here you can see the different titles, different areas you can go to. So if I want to go to vocabulary, I can click on vocabulary and go real quick. Getting started, here's the step-by-step directions that you need to do. We have assessment, we have unplugged activities, and then starting in projects 3 and on with Scratch Junior, we have debugging activities as well. Now I'm going to come up here and show you the grade 3 tab. It looks really similar to the K2. There's a couple of extra features here. There's a tab, a link to the coder resources. Now this is just like it sounds for students. These are for your coders. These are those step-by-step tutorials that they can go through. Also, there's something that's called Integration Studio. So this will take you to our Scratch Studio for that project. And these are using the same blocks that was used in Animate Your Name. And these were created with integration in mind. Now, if I'm a student in grades 3+, I'm going to come up here and click on the Students tab. And they're going to see the lesson overview, that project preview, and then also the coder resources. So again, this is just a short video to tell you how to get to our website and how to find our curriculum. Thank you.